Hello friends, this is Asjad and you're watching Yur-Tech YouTube channel. Friends, first of all, thank you so much for visiting my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use repeat header row. So, what is repeat header? What is header row? Header row is of your first row of your table. So repeat header row works like if you apply repeat header row, that will work. That same header row will apply in your every top of your page in table. So let's see how it works. Here I have taken I have converted this into text table. So if you want this like this format, so you can visit my previous videos. You will get that here. I will give link here. Now another I have taken inserted one insert above. So after I applied merge here, merge cells. Now I got enough space. I will write here on heading macro soft word in your tech channel. After select this one, then control shift greater than, then select the align center. After you can see now my another top of a page of column is empty, but as I apply here, first select, then as I apply here repeat header row, now my this header is has been applied in all of top of my pages. This is very thing when you want same thing in every table or in every pages. So guys, if I apply here any changes, for example if I apply here any color table design from here, if I apply here any color, so same thing will be applied in all of columns, in all of headers. In another way you can understand that this is not the part of this table, this page, this is the same of that, this is just a duplicate. So whatever you want to make changes in a header row, so you have to come on top of your table, then make changes from here. So because you can't make change from another side from those header rows, whatever you make change, so you have to come here and make changes from here. So you can't click here, you if you click this a header row, a repeat header row will not be highlighted. Okay guys, today was in this small video. Hope you like. If you like this video, please write down how beneficial or how useful this video is for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.